Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to guarantee safety during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the base cover, which is held in place by several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them, keeping them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the cover, exposing the internal components. This is a great time to clean any accumulated dust or debris inside the unit. A soft cloth will suffice, ensuring you don't damage any internal parts. Now, let's locate the clutch mechanism. It's typically situated near the motor assembly. Disconnect any wiring harnesses connected to the clutch, taking note of their positions. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Once the clutch is free, inspect the rubber feet at the bottom of the machine. These are crucial for stability and vibration reduction. If they appear worn or damaged, it's best to replace them. You can find suitable replacements online or at local appliance repair shops. If you don't have the tools or time for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. We also provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you understand the issue before proceeding. Now, let's install the new clutch. Align it properly with the motor assembly and reconnect any wiring harnesses. Make sure everything is secure to prevent any future issues. After this, take your new rubber feet and attach them to the base of the machine, pressing firmly until they snap into place. Before reassembling the cover, double-check all connections and ensure everything is properly installed. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This keeps your repair process transparent and straightforward. Once everything is in place, it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM21 and test it out. Ensure that the clutch operates smoothly and the machine runs without unnecessary vibrations. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, effective service at your convenience. With these steps, you've successfully replaced the clutch and rubber feet of your Thermomix TM21, enhancing its performance and extending its life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.